Alrighty, so previous owner deleted Hicas, so it looks like there's a clamp. I just loosened it up right now, and it looks like he just put a hose in there and plugged it up with the banjo bolt. So let's loosen it up. Let's give it a couple ugga-duggas. Oh yeah, look at that. It really came out. So I've always been curious because I've seen this. Look at that. Hey, if it works, it works. Very curious. So alrighty, so I got it off, and look at this. There we go. Looks like it's the factory bolt, banjo bolt, and then he ended up just capping it off with some rubber hose and then just tighten it. I ain't no expert or mechanic, but I would assume this is one of my leaks problems. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this. I saw in GK Tech with their power steering stuff that this is M12 or M16, I forgot. I'm gonna search it up again, by 1.5. So I saw what I needed at O'Reilly's, but I didn't buy it the other day, so I'm gonna go get it right now while I'm gonna go get some other stuff too. But yep. Alrighty, so another thing from the GK Tech video was that if you remove these 4 bolts, you can take off the vanes to completely delete Hicas. So that's another piece that I'm gonna go ahead and do. I'm not too sure if the previous owner did it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just to verify it. Alrighty, so I took out these 2 bolts. If it focuses, there we go. And that one has what's been leaking underneath the car that was making me assume I had a bad head gasket. So I think we're in the right direction. So I put a towel over there just in case. I got the 4 bolts out, and then this should honestly just spread open like so. Whoa, nice. And it looks like they are removed. So the vanes would have been like in here and there in those little slots. So yeah, looks like the previous owner did it, so I don't gotta worry about that. Just gonna clean it up, put it back together. So it's another peace of mind thing, you know, just because you don't know what previous owners will do to the car. So now that's verified and that's out of my head, we can keep going. I was assuming it was going to be done already because of, you know, it was deleted and plugged, but still, better safe than sorry. Alrighty, so I got the new bolt. So it's a M16 by 1.5. Comes with a washer. It's like a drain plug, but here it is. And then this will just go in here to plug it in like a glove. Look at that. So that's the one. The only thing I'm gonna do, I'm just being picky now, is I'm gonna go ahead and just give it a little paint to coat it, just so it doesn't turn all ugly and stuff. So I got this piece, throw right there. I got some flame proof. Oh, this is the clear actually. So gonna give it like 2 coats of silver, and then maybe a coat of clear also. But yep, just gonna go ahead and go coat that now. Alrighty, so let's take out the old one. Just this one. Put that over there, and then here's the new one. that just goes in there, like so. Perfect. And then I believe it might still be the same. So there we go. Seems pretty good. Not too bad. Yeah, looks like it got a little, I don't know if I scratched it or if it's just dirt. Looks like I scratched it already. Oh, all that paint for nothing.